Hello, everyone. It's Karina with Let Us Live. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I want to talk about potatoes. It is time to plant your potatoes. I always remember whenever Valentine's comes, that following weekend, I need to get my potatoes in the ground. Now, the one thing about potatoes, just get your favorite potatoes that you get from the grocery store. You'll see these little buds that are going to start popping out. Those are all going to be your potatoes. Now, once we cut the potatoes, we're going to leave enough thickness for these buds to grow flowers. So you don't want to cut it too thin. You want it to be able to root. We have a flower that will grow there, and we'll have a flower that's going to grow there. Now, you want to do that soon because what you want to happen is you want to let them sit out and dry and form a callus on the outside. So this is a freshly cut potato. Then we have one that I've allowed to sit to callus. So today you want to do that as quickly as possible so that when it's time to plant, you have a callus. It's less likely to get rotten or moldy once you have this callus on. We'll plant this in the ground and all these little buds will start to grow. Again, let me just show you. These are buds here. We're going to cut that. I'd probably cut that. Let's just, let's see. I'm going to cut this right here. We've got those buds and it's thick enough for a root to grow. And then we have an opportunity for roots to grow here as well. But just regular white potatoes, your red potatoes, sweet potatoes, we'll plant those later on towards the end of summer, towards the fall. But get out and get growing. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button. Take care. Remember, let us live. Bye for now.